Right, this is question 3 in the assess. We're looking at page 43. Yeah. In a survey, 40 adults asked if they are left-handed, right-handed. So left-handed, right-handed, men and women. Use the table to answer the following questions. Okay, how many men are in the survey? Well, let's just take a look. I've got men that come in 2 shapes and sizes. You get left-handed men, 5 of them, and right-handed men, 19 of them. How many men are in the survey? Well, that's going to be 19 plus 5, 24. B, how many of the 40 adults are right-handed? Let's just scrub this out so you can reuse it. How many are right-handed? Well, right-handed people come in 2 shapes. They could be right-handed men, or they could be right-handed women. You see where it crosses over? And that's 8. 19 plus 8, 27. So 27 out of the 40 adults questioned were right-handed. What fraction of those asked are right-handed men? Let's just scrub it out and have a fresh go. Now, they've got to be men and they've got to be right-handed. Blokes, right-handed. See where it crosses over? Right there. So what fraction of those are right-handed men? Answer, 19 out of the 40, and that can't be simplified any further. Alright? And D, I'm probably going to do in yellow. First, let's get rid of this anyway. It says, what percentage of women asked are left-handed? It's percentage of women asked. Now, what have we got? We've got left-handed women, 8 of them, right-handed women, 8 of them. And therefore, what percentage asked are left-handed? Well, the left-handed women are 8 out of a total of 16. Please note this question is about women only, and what percentage of women are left-handed? Well, 8 are left-handed out of a total of 8 plus 8, 16. Well, it's this fraction of 100. That's how you change it into percentage. You know that. That's basically a half of 100, because 8 over 16 is a half, and a half of 100 is 50. Therefore, 50% of women asked are left-handed. Okay, next question. Bit more involved. This is question 4, still grade D rated. It says, read it carefully because it got me the first time. It says some teachers are asked to choose their favourite snack, chocolate or sweets. I read it as some teachers are asked to choose their favourite snack, chocolate or sweets. Sounds like there are 3 options. In fact, there's only 2 options. We have a chocky option or a sweet option and nothing else. So there's actually only 2 options, which is what the table says anyway. And some of the results are shown in the table. So for example, let's just interpret this. I have 24 male teachers who like chocolate. Look what my pen is doing. 24 male chocolate. I also have 16 females who like chocolate. See how it overlaps there? The chocolate column and the female column clash on 16. So I've got 16 females who like chocolate. Now, let's get into it. Question A. A total of 50 male teachers are asked and 30 teachers chose sweets. So 50 male teachers are asked, do you like chockies or sweeties? And 30 teachers say they like sweets. And I've got to complete the table. Now, 30 male teachers are asked. In other words, 24 of them like chocolate. The remaining amount must like the sweets. So basically the sum is going to be 50 males, take away the 24 chocky males, comes to 26 blokes that like sweeties. Okay, the answer is 26. Now, 30 teachers chose sweets. In other words, 30 teachers means male and female. And look, if 30 of them chose sweets and 26 of these are men, the remaining 4 must be women. So 30 sweet teachers take away 26 sweet male teachers equals 4 sweet female teachers. Okay, I know my language isn't perfect on this, but that's how your brain should do it anyway. All this should add up to 50, I reckon. Or does it? No, it doesn't say. Anyway, it says how many females were asked. Okay then, well, let's look at the females, shall we? Well, I've got 16 who liked chocolates, and I've got 4 who liked sweets. Therefore, that's 20, isn't it? How many females were asked? I've got 16 Chocky lovers and 4 Sweetie lovers, 20 female teachers. Alright then. How many teachers were asked altogether? Well, I've got 50 male teachers. There you go. I've got the 24 and the 26 comes to 50. I'm told it's 50 anyway. Look at my little red rings. And I now know I've got 20 female teachers. So altogether I've got 50 male teachers and I've got 20 female teachers. 70 teachers were asked in the school. Last bit, what fraction of the teachers, that means all 70 of them, who prefer chocolate are female? So what fraction of the teachers who prefer chocolate are female? And now simplify your answer. So let's just look at it very carefully. What fraction of the teachers? So let's have a look. The teachers is 70 of them. What fraction of the teachers who prefer chocolate are female? Let's just take a look at that. That's 16 out of 70, I make that. I need to read this more carefully because it can be taken both ways. What fraction of the teachers who prefer chocolate? No, it's not about all the teachers. It's just about the chocolate teachers. Right, so what have I got here? The chocolate teachers are 24 plus 16. Let's just write it down. So 24 and 16 comes to 30, 40 teachers who are heavily into chocolate. What fraction of the teachers who prefer the chocolate, yeah, it's all about chocolate, are female? Therefore, the females are 16 out of 40. Change it into percent, just multiply by 100. Of course, I've got a calculator. Let's just lose a 0 anyway, so it shouldn't be too difficult. So I've got 10 and 4. Oh look, 4 goes into 16 4 times. So I'm left with 4 times 10. And without a calculator, I've calculated 40% of all the Chocky lovers are females, which means incidentally the remaining 60% must be the males. So that's it, and I'm very happy with that. I'll leave those 2 questions alone as one little video, and I'll do the AQA exam style question as the final video for chapter 3.